Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back. Beautiful, shoe or bun and pumpy shoe styles like flat sole and stylish customization. Use different colors, stitch pattern or embellishment. Personalize your shoes and regularly try on the shoes as you work to ensure a good fit and ability. Consider pinning, forcing ears that will experience more wear, such as the sole and heel. Crocheting pumpy shoes are stylish and functional project, perfect for adding a touch or elegance to your homemade footwear collection. Crochet pumpy shoes ideas and style looks for different latest styles and different latest color combination for women fashion styles. So I hope you like my video and my channel. Creating project fashion items for women can be a delightful way to blend style and handmade charm. Her guide. Various fashionable project items you can make different styles like summer and winter, or different style and like shoes and cozy and stylish for cooler wear. So and beautiful ideas.